Hi everybody, welcome to our new video. Today I will compare two OLED TV in this video. So let's go, now enjoy this video. Firstly, we start display. Display type OLED. Panel type WOLED. Skin size 48, 55, 65, 77, 83 inch USA, Europe and 42, 48, 55, 65, 77, 83 inch USA, Europe. Display resolution 4K. Refresh rate 165 Hz. Brightness 3000 nits and 4000 nits. Display colors 1070 million. Pixel density 84 ppi. Color bit 10 bit. Response time 0.1 millisecond. Contrast ratio 6000:1. Color gamut DCI P3XY 98.29%, DCI P3 UV 99.50% and DCI P3XY 98.07%, DCI P3 UV 99.32%. Backlight, no backlight. Video processor Alpha 8 Gen 2 and Alpha 9 Gen 8. HDMI variable refresh rate, yes. Consumer electronic control, yes. Auto low latency mode, yes. Anti-reflection coating, yes. Ambient light sensor, yes. Quick media switching, yes. High gig, yes. HDR formats HDR10 hybrid long gamma Dolby Vision IQ. Part 2 Connectivity. HDMI version HDMI 2.1. HDMI ports 4. USB ports 2 into USB-A. Wi-Fi 6 802.11ax. Bluetooth 5.3. 3.5 mm audio jack, yes. Part 3 Features. TV platform webOS. Version at launch 25. OS updates, yes. AirPlay, yes. HomeKit, yes. Voice assistance Google Assistant Alexa. Search browser Amazon Prime Video, Apple TV app, Disney Plus, HBO Max, Hulu, Netflix, YouTube. Part 4 Audio. Speakers 60 watt 4.2. HDMI ARC and EARC, yes. Dolby Atmos, yes. Dolby Digital Plus, yes. Dolby AC3 AC4, yes. Detach audio, yes. Stereo speakers, yes. Subwoofer, yes. Part 5 Design. Dimensions 1228 into 706 into 46.9 mm and 149.4 into 73.9 into 7.7 mm. Weight 22.8 kg and 28.6 kg. Wall mount 400 into 200 mm. Special features: brightness booster, game optimizer dashboard and XR backlight master drive, PS5 features, game menu and eco dashboard, IMAX enhanced. Tuners attached 1.0 USA, DVB T2 S2 SIM Europe and attached 3.0 USA, DVB T2 S2 SIM Europe. Thanks for watching. For more updates, subscribe to my channel.